Ready to ditch the default Shopify URL and showcase your brand with a domain purchased through Facebook? Let's get it connected. First things first, you'll want to be logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have your Facebook Business Manager open in another tab. This process involves configuring settings in both platforms. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Settings menu, click on Domains. This is where we'll initiate the connection to your Facebook purchase domain. On the Domains page, you'll see an option to connect existing domain. Click on this button. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your custom domain name that you purchased through Facebook. Type it in accurately here. Shopify will then provide you with specific DNS records. Think of these as the digital instructions that tell the internet where to find your store. You'll need to replicate these records in your Facebook domain settings. Switch over to your Facebook Business Manager. Find the Domains section within your account settings. Here, you'll need to add your domain and then paste in the DNS records that Shopify provided. Pay close attention to the type of record, like a record or CNAME record, and the value's accuracy is key. Once you've entered the DNS records in Facebook, it might take a little while for the changes to propagate across the internet. This can sometimes take a few minutes to a few hours. Back in your Shopify admin, refresh the domains page. You should start to see your domain status change to connected or verified once the DNS changes have taken effect. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now officially branded with your domain purchase from Facebook, ready to impress your customers.